get the man car keys.
Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Me and car keys. So it is 91 degrees right now, and I picked the perfect time of day to be out here doing a video when the sun is right overhead. Smart. Anyway, so I got the I got the Mazda here. Got the Mazda here to create some shade. It's actually really cool up under here. So a couple videos ago, we did a video on how to make sure your truck is show truck ready. We talked about cleaning the inside of your truck, the outside of your truck, and make sure it's immaculate, detailing everything you never detailed before, like you never detailed before. So the one thing I forgot is make sure your lights work. So there I was at Cruising Coweta, amazing show, amazing cars, amazing trucks. And I'm just over there, just amazed at some of the things that roll through there. And I look at my truck and I see that light's not working, right? The right side is not working. The left side's flickering. Then I look down here, these license plate lights not working. Then I look down here at my marker lights, it's not working. What is this? This one is actually going out before, they actually alternate. So sometimes this one goes out, then that one goes out. I don't know what that's about. Maybe something in the wiring up there, I don't know. This one out here might be my fault because these are tapped into these. So it might be my fault, I don't know, we're gonna find out in a minute. Nevertheless, with the sponsor of today's video, we're gonna replace some of these. We're gonna replace the cargo lights, we're gonna replace the license plate lights, and that will be the one and only Auxito LED lighting. Now, Auxito has been a long time sponsor of the channel. I can just go walk around the truck and you just, there. So needless to say, Auxito is an amazing partner and amazing supporter of the channel. So check this out. All right, we got a all black, smoked out third brake light, cargo brake light for our F150. It's gonna sit right up there. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna blend in with the theme of the silver and black a lot better than that red one that's up there. And it's full LED, and as you see there, DOT approved. In the box, it also came with a gasket. It also came with some rubber washers to make sure it's waterproof. You reuse your OEM screws. And we also got these all LED license plate lights. They're gonna fit like so. Nice. Now these should be plug and play, so it should be very easy. All right, so I'm gonna start on the license plate light since we still have a little bit of shade, at least for the next probably about 20 minutes. All right, so up under the truck, if you look closely, boom, that is your license plate light right there. Got one on each side. First thing you wanna do is unplug it. You're gonna take it here, twist it to the left, and then pull it out. Real easy, real simple. You can also pull it down so you can get more access to it. Oh, there you go. And that is my LED bulb that I had in there. All right, my marker lights are working now. But for that reason, this one's not working. Oh, there it is. And there it is. So I don't know if it's the bulb or it's a short in here. I don't know. Anyway, that's my LED bulb. And first thing you want to do is take the bulb out. All right, hold it on the sides. You don't want to touch the filaments, the little yellow pieces. Those are LEDs, so you don't want to touch those. Like I said, these are plug and play, so you're going to literally plug this in where you plug your light bulb in. Take it, plug it in. Ooh, yeah, don't look directly at that. That is super bright. All right, so I just wanted to test it to make sure it was working, and that's working very well. Under the truck, so take our little holder out, this little frame holder here for our bulbs. It's gonna take these little tabs on the side, and you push them in. Oh, wow, that was simple. And just like that, that's out. All right, easier than I thought it was gonna be. All right, so the best way to install our new license plate light is you go down, reach up under, take your light socket down there, the one that's just hanging, and stick it through. And you'll see why in a minute. Stick it through like so. You take your new one and make sure your two tabs on the left side and your one tab's on the right side like it was before. Plug it in. All right. Before you do anything else, check it. Make sure it's on. Boom. Perfect. All right. Now that it's on, you're going to take your red and black wire and try to tuck it in as much as possible. Tuck it all the way in, and you're going to screw your light socket in as normal as you would a light bulb, if it had a light bulb. Okay, match up the sides. Boom. Then you're gonna take it, the whole thing, push it back, and snap. Boom, just like that. Done. Just like that, done. All right, once again, bow. Easiest mod in life. Boom, so easy. Let's say you just got an F-150, y'all, and you're trying to figure out what the first mod to do. You want something easy, something to get started with, to start off the mod process. Do this one. This is the easiest mod on planet Earth. So easy, you can do it. Trust me, you can do it. All right, one down, one to go. Next we have our LED third brake light, smoked out. Now this one comes with a gasket. This part's sticky, so you gotta peel it off and stick it on the back like so. Of course, it's just an insert in the middle here. And then you have 4 washers. These are rubber washers that are gonna go in each slot when you put your screws in. You're gonna use your factory screws that are already on the truck there. And you're gonna put the washers in here so make sure they don't leak. Right, very easy, very simple. First step, get that one off. All right, so the only thing holding this on is 4 screws here. You got one there, one there, one there. And it's just a T20 Torx bit screw. I got a bit here. We're gonna use our drill. Change the plans. Drill's dead, so it's too hot for this, y'all. So I got a bit holder thing. We're gonna do. It's too hot for this. All right, now that you got your screws out, you can just pull it off. All right, and that's not weird at all. Okay. Yeah, let's talk about that. Is this a light bulb that's been broken in? What is happening here? You look here, you have a LED there, you have a stock halogen there, and you have a half of LED bulb there. That would explain why it broke, why it blew out. Ooh, all right, not a big deal. I see these white tabs in here. That's what's holding our harness in. We're gonna get a pry tool, try to stick it in there, and pull down. Boom. All right, that'll release our wiring harness there. You're going to take it, pull down. There's a tab right here. Just push down on it, pull. Disconnect your OEM harness and third brake light, cargo light that you will never need ever again in life. All right, quick comparison. This is our new third brake light. This is our old one. You see the back has the 3 LED sections here. The back has your 3 LED light bulbs here. The only difference with these is this one has a gasket on it and this one does not, which is why Auxito included this gasket. Take the insert out. Slowly peel from the corner. All right, be careful not to get any dirt on this because you want to have a nice, smooth, even connection here. All right, put it through your harness. And you want to make sure you have a firm connection all the way around. Try to make it as even as possible because the only thing stopping water from getting in your truck through there is this gasket, okay? So it's very important to make sure you install it. Please don't skip this step. Make sure you have a good connection all the way around. Now it's gonna get firm anyway once you put your bolts in and you bolt it up to the truck. It's gonna have a firm connection anyway, but just make sure that it's all the way around the edges and that it's actually stuck. And now you simply just reverse the steps, plug it back in. We're gonna try to get this white tab back into those holes if possible. We're gonna see if we can get that back. Got it plugged in and I almost made 2 critical mistakes. Number one, I need to clean all this off, all this dirt and grime. I'm gonna get a little rubber alcohol. We're gonna wipe all this down before we put it back together. Also, let's check it and make sure it's working. All right, so I just got it sitting up there. It's not bolted in anything. Let's test it. Nice. Nice look, nice clean look. I like that. All right, let's try the brake lights. Good. I can't see it. It's good. Good. Much better. So now I want to work on getting this white tab back into these holes. I don't know if you necessarily have to do that, but they were there for a reason. Not sure what the reason was. Maybe it's to make sure that the whole harness doesn't fall back into the truck. I don't know. Either way, we're gonna try to get it back in and see what we can do with it. All right, finally got that in. All you do is push the wire back in there and replace your torque bit screws. And you should be good to go. Yep. Nice. All right, so Auxito included these rubber washers. It didn't have it from the stock. The stock OEM ones didn't have it, but I'm going to use them anyway just because they came with them. And you just put it over your screw. There you go. Screw them back in. You are good to go. All right, there you have it, y'all. An upgrade for the upgrade. Slide them up. Boom. 2 quick and easy light upgrades for your F-150. It's 2 mods that should have been done a long time ago. Changes the look of the truck, especially from the back end here. You see that third LED brake light. And once again, these are both from Auxito.com, a huge sponsor, a huge supporter of the channel for a long time now. So you can get both of these right there on the website, Auxito.com. And as always, you can get 15% off your order if you use the code MeandCarKeys at checkout. Tell them I sent you. All right, y'all, I love the view from here. This looks so stealthy on the back. This all blacked out look, all smoked out look, and it blends in very well with the theme I got going on with the black and the silver. The only weird thing to me now is this looks weird. I don't know. We'll see. So thank you for watching another video on the MeandCarKeys channel. We're gonna come back, of course, and get some night shots because I want you to see what it looks like at nighttime. Super bright. I'm gonna show you. Thank you for watching the video on the MeandCarKeys channel. Till next time, please subscribe, and I'll see you.